Anaconda export environment file. How can I make Anaconda environment file which could be used on other computers? I exported my Anaconda Python environment to YAML using conda env export is greater than environment.yml. The exported environment.yml contains this line prefix column, which maps to my Anaconda's location, which will be different on others' pieces.
I can't find anything in the conda specs which allows you to export an environment file without the prefix column ... line. However, like Alex pointed out in the comments, conda doesn't seem to care about the prefix line when creating an environment from the file. With that in mind, if you want the other user to have no knowledge of your default install path, you can remove the prefix line with grep before writing to environment.yml. Either way, the other user then runs. And the environment will get installed in their default conda environment path. If you want to specify a different install path than the default for your system, not related to prefix in the environment.yml, just use the p flag followed by the required path. Note that conda recommends creating the environment.yml by hand, which is especially important if you are wanting to share your environment across platforms, Windows/Linux/Mac. In this case, you can just leave out the prefix line.
The easiest way to save the packages from an environment to be installed in another computer is. Then you can install the environment using. If you use pip, please use the following commands. Reference this URL.
Linux or Mac, conda env export no builds, grep v prefix greater than environment.yml Windows, conda env export no builds, findstra v prefix greater than environment.yml. Rationale: by default, conda env export includes the build information. You can instead export your environment without build info. Which unties the environment from the Python version and OS.
First, activate your conda environment. Below, myaf is the supposed name of the environment. Then you just need to run this command. Note that you could replace environment.yml with any other file name of your choice.
Share